So it was bonfire night recently, and there was a big bonfire night in Manchester. I decided to go, and it was pretty fun. They had food, rigged carnival games, big bonfire, fireworks, spinny ride, vertical spinny ride, tall swingy spinny ride, very, very tall spinny ride. A lot of the rides were just spinny things, that's all they were. But you're not here to hear me talk, you're here to see some fireworks. So here's a montage of fireworks.
Nothing beats a bonfire to the sound of Despacito.
Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Cuando tú me besas con esa destreza, veo que eres malicia con delicadeza. Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Y es que esa belleza es un rompecabezas, pero para montarlo aquí tengo la pieza. Oye,